Hello, today we'll be showing you how to sign a document on the go using the FilesDNA application for mobile. If you're not already logged in, first things first, we're going to want to do that. As you can see below in all of the videos, we can log in via Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, a Microsoft Azure account, or any standard email address. So just logging in here. Upon logging in, at the bottom hand of the screen, you should see a notification. This is the document which you're waiting to sign. We're simply going to click the bell at the bottom, find our document here in the list, and then click on it just as we did there. From this point, we're going to load the document in, take a quick look, and then we can just click next, click on the following, signed, and then choose our signature. We're then going to enter our name in the text below just by clicking. And then we're going to click on the date and just choose today's date. And there we are, that's how easy it is. We're then going to click finish. Our signed document will then be sent to the person who sent it to us, and I can then download the file myself. And there we go, that's how easy and simple it is to sign a document using the mobile app from FilesDNA. Thank you.